Did you know you can borrow money using your investments as collateral without selling them? That's called an equity or investment secured loan. Instead of using a car or furniture as security, the bank or broker uses your assets like stocks, bonds, or even the equity in your house. Here's how it works. If you have, say, 5 million in investments, the bank might lend you 50-70% of that value. You still own the investments, they still can grow, but if you don't repay or the value drops too much, the bank can sell them to recover their money. It's the same idea rich people use to access cash without triggering taxes or selling assets, but it's risky. A market drop or bad planning can force a sale at the worst time. Equity secured loans can build wealth faster if you're disciplined or wipe you out if you don't respect the risk.